doing?
Walking.
What?
Ashley, your butt is in the way.
You're a nice lady, too. It's super attractive. Don't bring it closer.
Ashley, she might be mean.
Your monkey.
You want me to make you some mashed potatoes?
It likes cottage cheese, too.
Probably.
Here. Let's eat some cottage cheese. Is it good? I love you, monkey. You're kind of cute.
Do you want some mashed potatoes?
No. Not really.
Alright, we'll eat your cottage cheese.
Okay. Get off me. Are we watching the movie yet?
Yeah.
What do you want to watch?
No. I don't know.
Well, you had to tell us what you want to watch.
Just look.
You want to watch House?
Who?
House.
I guess. Is that a person?
It's a doctor.
It's a TV show.
Yeah. Let's watch that.
Monkey, come back here.
Monkeys don't listen.
Oh, for sure.
Tell me about it.
Mr. Fingers.
Mr. Fingers, you're not listening.
Do you want to name my monkey?
Just kind of laying there. That one doesn't do much.
It's a smaller monkey.
A baby or monkey.
She's gonna get me.
You better not touch my phone, Mr. Fingers. Or the computer.
She's a ninja.
Oh, she's a ninja? I thought she was a monkey.
No, she's a ninja monkey. Her name is Ninja.
A ninja.
Around him. She's got his toe.